short final, please.
Unit for Bob, hold for now, will be departure from runway 24.
Hold for now. Departure from runway 24. 555 profile.
Scott 19 Echo, runway 24, wind 280 at 8, gust 18, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 19 Echo.
Inhale up to 5 Bureau for Bob. You wanted left or right traffic back to the numbers?
Left close traffic to the numbers of 33 left.
We'll remain south of 624 at all times. We're just going to follow the same pattern from the side, left traffic.
Roger, remain south of runway 24 at all times. Left pattern is approved. Keep it in tight, please. Do have traffic entering from the south. No factor for now, but maybe on the next one around. Wind 280 at 10, gust 20, clear for takeoff.
We'll keep it tight and we're going to clear for a high final, short final, right?
Yes, sir. Altimeter 2971.
You got it, 5
1 under echo, departure 120.05, 25, adios.
2005, adios, 619. Departure Skyhawk 2119 Echo, climbing out of 1000 for 2000, runway heading 1L6.
2119 Echo, New York departure, radar contact, climb maintain 5000, turn right direct judge.
Right direct judge up to 5000, 1 Echo.
Echoes, climb maintain 7000.
Up 7000, 661 Echo.
Echo, contact New York 12407.
2407, 1 Echo. New York Skyhawk 211 Echo is climbing out of 3300 for 7000.
219 Echo, go to 2971.
2971, 1 Echo. New York Skyhawk 21 Echo request.
The 1 Echo, what's the request?
Is it possible to stay at, stop us at 5000?
1 Echo, maintain 5000.
Roger, 5000, 1 Echo.
November 1, Excursion 2119 Echo, contact Boston Center 123.75.
2375, 1 Echo. Boston Skyhawk 2119 Echo is descending out of 5900 for 5000.
November 2119 Echo, Boston Center, the Keene altimeter 2963. Advise when you get the weather, NOTAM zone approach, you would like a Keene.
Okay, we're going to look for the GPS 02 at Keene with the Zorfo transition. We'll get the weather.
November 19 Echo, you clear direct to Zorfo.
Clear direct Zorfo, 19 Echo.
November 19 Echo, cross Zorfo at or above 3,600, and you're cleared for the RNAV 2 approach at Keene.
Clear for the RNAV 2 approach, circle, we'll be circling the land 20, and clear cross Zorfo at 3600.
19 Echo, I missed the altitude, cross Zorfo at or above 3,600, you clear for the RNAV 2 approach.
Yeah, we'll cross Zorfo at 3600, and we're clear for the RNAV 20. We'd like to circle, the 02, we'd like to circle 20.
November 19 Echo, right. November 19 Echo, if this change is approved, you can cancel on the ground through flight service or in the air on this frequency.
I'll change frequencies and we'll cancel with you when we get closer with 19 Echo.
Keene traffic, Sky Cruiser 172, left base, full stop 20, Keene.
And Boston Center, Skyhawk 219 Echo, canceling IFR.
November 19 Echo, roger, fixed change approved, squawk VFI, have a good day.
Thanks, take care. Keene traffic, you got a Skyhawk coming in from the south, taking the left downwind for runway 20, Keene.
And Plymouth traffic, RV8 is 7 out on the 45, 24 Plymouth.
Keene traffic, Twin Cessna 0 Golf Charlie, 20 miles southeast inbound for runway 20, Keene.
Keene traffic out of Skyhawk entering the left downwind from runway 20, Keene.
Keene traffic, Twin Cessna Zero Golf Charlie, 10 miles southeast, entering at 45, runway 20, Keene.
Alright, we're on the downwind. Keene traffic, Skyhawk turning left base, runway 20, Keene. Keene traffic, Skyhawk turning final